Third quarter US earnings reports have come with several surprises. Jarden's Vice President of Wealth Research, Jeremy Ward, has been keeping across the company results and reaction to them. Jeremy, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Jeremy, tech stocks were hit hard again this season. Who disappointed you most and why?
Meta, the Facebook parent, disappointed. Their shares were down 23%, and this was largely due to a blow in costs on their capex on the metaverse.
What is it about this current operating environment for tech stocks that is causing more attention to be drawn to their spending?
The cost of capital, predominantly, now that's gone up. Investors want to see a return on that invested capital, and these very long duration projects are tenuous to see some of the returns on capital. So the focus is shifting towards, if you're going to invest some money, when am I going to see a return on that?
Are investors perhaps running out of patience?
Definitely, and that's being shown in the share prices, of all the big tech stocks.
Leaders of financial stocks this season gave quite a bit of insight into how US consumers have been faring. What did they have to say and how upbeat or downbeat were they?
The quality of household balance sheets is good. Consumers have generally saved over the pandemic, so the starting point is positive. What they are concerned about going forwards, that cost of living squeeze is really starting to bite and will continue to bite as those interest rate rises come through and that inflation comes through. So the cost of living squeeze is going to happen, but are we seeing wages to continue to keep up with that?
If that does come to fruition and US consumers do start to become a bit more conservative, what do you think is going to be crucial for company management into the fourth quarter?
A focus on costs. So, what are your input costs? What are your wage costs? Are you able to maintain margins? So, if your raw material costs increase, you need to pass that on to the consumer or your end purchaser straight away so you don't get compressed margins.